Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and a Fanta. Pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Pandas. Hope you guys are doing well. Got a second entry long here. Coming right at the top of this pivot. What a time. What a time to be alive, pandas. Second entry long. That's the first touch of the 20 EMA from the spike channel, and happening right at this obvious natural resistance here. Big bear bars. You're thinking one more push down. Good morning, my pandas. Bray, good morning. Finally off the night shift. I'm glad you could join us. Welcome back. Bill 7, scalp that Nascraq button. Trading at Nascraq. I mean, all eyes on the second entry long, but man, look at these bear bars leading to it. It's the first bounce off the 20 MA. If it's a good signal bar, hard to pass up here. Risk is not too bad. Give me a good signal bar. Signal bar is ugly. Looking for a new high. Market's about to open in 5 minutes. It's an ugly looking signal bar. We'll let it go. Gotta be like Elsa, my hero. Just let it go. Bill said my internet is down today. How's that possible? What would you do in life without internet? What a push up. I guess that second entry long was good. Look at the signal bar though. I mean, can you get uglier than that? I don't think so. You're looking for a new high here. Market's about to open 2 minutes. Hard to go short here, but coming off a resistance like that, but you want one more push up here. I think a one-to-one was met there. Yeah, one-to-one perfect hit. Be right back. All right, market's open. Got that higher low here. I'm looking to go long. Big push down though. Hard to go long now. Okay, looks like we're dripping here. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Push down. Got that new low here. Push down, trading range, another push down. Coming back into our trading range, small trading range here. Okay, another consolidation, second entry short. Good entry bar, but big risk. Another consolidation here. Obviously channel down. Actually not too bad of a second entry short to take, because hitting the trend line also or 20 EMA. But terrible risk, terrible price action prior to it, like the immediate price action, pretty bad. It's a straight shot down right now. Strong bear bar. Hugh, good morning. Some of the Rockies, welcome. Yeah, we're hitting the 150K counts. The 250K counts, the ones I had prior, they were, I was worried that one account or the counts might have been in violation of the rules, because I had one trade trigger with news. It was not a news trade. I had my setup like ready. It was basically a big mama, and the news happened to spike down to it, and and I won that trade, but I was worried that honestly, put my accounts in probation, my account on probation. So this is better, to be honest. Plus, only need 5K. Okay. Yeah, nice push back up here. First break of trend, in my opinion, here. Am I eager to go long? Not really. Not really eager to do anything. Just push out for the second leg up. Another second entry short here. Outside bar reversal. Lots of outside bar reversals for the Nascraq, especially on the 1K chart. Too many outside bar reversals, in fact, with the 1,000 tick. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. No follow through. Could be coming back into consolidation. Oof. Clearly underneath the 20 EMA here, getting hit by it. Looks like it wants to break down a little bit here. Make a new low. That's what you're thinking. Missed my target by one single tick. You gotta love that. Missing your target by one tick. You gotta surely love when that happens. And then we're coming back down. I don't know. Stick to the plan. Missed it by 3 ticks that time.
Target filled.
I don't like how it's developing out of that trade. I missed it by one single tick. I mean, what can you do? What can ya do, pandas? Skunk that trade. $10, pandas. Hey, $10, not too bad, not too shabby. Green is green. I like that lower high a lot, but missed it by one tick. I didn't like the price action afterwards. Give me a feel second just short, I'll take it. Clearly 20 EMA acting as resistance right now. All right, second just short off the 20 EMA here. In this trade. Let's see if we make anything of it. I could swing trade it. If I swing trade it, then I'm looking for this low. Looking for a 1-to-1 off of this low here. That's a swing trade here. A 1-to-1 on the swing trade. This is a 1-to-1 on the scalp here. If I could scalp it, I'll prefer that if I could do that right away. Swing trades up here. 2x swing trade here. Oof, all right. Swing trade no good. $5,000 tick trap trade triggers. I can get out before then, I'll do it. Got hit. Try to do a swing trade. I didn't realize a trap on the 5K chart actually was a nice trade. I tried Pennant. We couldn't make it a 1-to-1, so it is what it is. I tried to swing trade. The thing that sucks about swing trading or the Nascraq is that your slippage is like multiple points. Goodness gracious. I like Nascraq. It's fun. It's just fun. I mean, if I were to put it, it's just like if you're coming from the EMINI, you know, it's just grindy, slow, hard to even get 1 point. Nascraq is just, it's just fun. What can I say? It's fast paced. E-minis for the boomers, you know what I mean? The NQs for the zoomers. Decent push down. I don't think the setup was terrible. You got breaker trend new low and triggering above the 20 MA. I don't think it's the worst setup. It's fair. It's a fair setup. Got trapped down here. I mean, your limit order trading. The only way you really make money here is limit orders selling, in my opinion. So don't take this trade, but like when you get this kind of like small pullback, bear trend, try to sell near the top of previous candles type situation. Your risk is very small. You just take the hit a point or two above. It's really dripping here. It's flushing. It's just flushing. Absolutely flushing right now. Still good selling with the limit orders. Still limit order trading for the bears. Oof, what a push. Now we're so extended, like it's hard for me to just go short. Even though I should be going short anywhere, everywhere. Maybe I'll jump back to the E-mini if it's like the volatility comes back. Filling the gap, right? There's a big gap here that hasn't been filled. Looking to fill it quickly here. Limit order bears, are they still here? Are they still in town? They didn't sell that candle. They're gonna maybe sell at the 20 EMA. Strong bull candle ending on its high. Oof. Alright. Yep. Selling at the 20 EMA here. They scalped out already. It might be one of those first entries. I may attempt it here. Bulls are a little bit in control right now. Okay, you're above the 20 EMA now. You're thinking for sure it's going to fill this gap. Right? This is a gap on the overnight chart, pandas. On the Globex. Those get filled very quickly typically. The 5-minute chart, right? Well, for me, I only have regular trading hours. I realize, pandas, I'm going to have my thing set up right now. Why don't you guys tell me, pandas? I guess it's a good thing. Alright. A little more reason to go short here. Good old second entry short, if we can find it. Okay, missed it by like a tick to trigger the second entry short. Right, the second pullback for the second entry short. That might be good enough for me, to be honest. It does trigger here. It might be good enough for a lot of people. Strong bear bar. Eager to go short right now. I'm eager to go short. Almost triggers the second pullback. Again. I'm eager to go short, but I'll wait for the second pullback here. Oof. Doesn't quite get it there. Doesn't quite get there. Unfortunately, it might go without us. I mean, it's just the name of the game, pandas. Limit order galore here. Bears are not allowing it to break the previous candle's high. Micro double top, in fact. Bear says, no way you're getting that discount here. We're too eager to go short as well. Micro double top, still. There it is. That's what I was waiting for. Such a strong push up now. What in the world? What in the world am I supposed to do with that? New high? Alright, give me that new high, yes. It's honestly hard for me to go short right now. It's just 2 legs up though. It's like entry short still. Strong bull bars all ending on their highs. It's quite a pullback. Quite a pullback. You almost need to just go long anywhere. It's a strong push up. 2 strong bull bars ending on their highs. What news can pass evals is not until next week, Friday. If you want to know all the news that pass evals, you guys can check the Discord. There is a channel dedicated to it called Trading News. And the next big news will be in my opinion, next Friday with the core PC. That's my opinion, though. Nothing's guaranteed in life other than death and taxes. I almost want to go long off of this trend line. I almost want to go long off the trend line. Just like those people just did and scalped out real quick. Outside bar reversal right on our trend line. Just waiting. I want to go short. Give me one more pullback, please. Not getting my pullback. That's unfortunate. I want to have one more pullback before going short. With the outside bar reversal, I didn't like how it triggers with that. Doesn't quite get there. Doesn't quite get to fill the gap, which is kind of crazy to me. In fact, we're double bottom off of it. Still trading range here. I could try to sell at the top of this trading range. I could. It could also break out here, reverse, big time. Okay, higher low. Big push up here. Kind of expected. Do I want to take a reversal here? I need a lower high. Taking the first reversal is very risky. Just like the first, I guess the first, technically second entry, but the first attempt to reverse here. Lower highs are better in these situations. It does feel like we entered a limit order market, but very confusing. Clearly staying above the 20 MA here. I mean, I'm expecting this to push a little bit higher. Could be a morning reversal. Like a 10 o'clock reversal. Okay, there's a push up I was expecting. Now we got 3 pushes up here. Again, looking for a lower high. If I'm like trying to go short here, I need a lower high. It's too hard just to go short right now. Like, you don't know this is gonna happen. Same thing. Just bounce out the 20 MA. Lower or high here? I could try. I could try. Swing it here. I just hate these outside bar reversals. Please. It'll be a swing trade here. I'm trying to get back to the previous day's close from here. Let's see what happens. It's better than a 1-to-1 here. It's a swing trade, right? So I'm using this pivot high as my stop loss. Top of a trading range, get back to the bottom trading range even further, right? Basically trying to fill the gap here. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, pandas. But if it works out, that would be nice. I mean, that would be real nice if it works out. Second entry long triggers. I almost want to go short again on this trap for a double entry here. I'll set up my pause. Whoa! Alright. Guess I was wrong, pandas. Jeez. What was that? It just like shot up so fast. Like as if there's news or something. I'd be surprised if I don't take it out here. It just looks so bullish now. Especially with that huge move up, that spike up. But this is my swing trade, right? We got swing stop loss using the pivot. This pivot. Not your signal bar, but your pivot high. There it is. Jeez. Alright. Sorry. Sorry to even try. Five-minute strong bull bar cannot be ignored. Yeah, it was there. Also strong bear bar, right? Strong bull bar. You're thinking trading range. Big down, big up. Overlapping bars. So I was trying to go short at the top of the trading range, basically back to the bottom. Doesn't quite work out, as you can tell. Just want to push up, though. The 5,000 tick looks wacky. Right? I mean, the price action is not pretty right now. Let's just say that. This is not pretty. You got two pushes up now. I got break a trend new high, like spike channel, break of that channel, push up here new high. It could be a way. I could have waited for that. We basically had a wedge top here, thinking that new high was created already. But I mean, it could reverse here now. Who knows? Hard to say. It feels bullish in my opinion now. Like, it feels like all the bears were like just taken out right there. Big push up. Looks bullish. I almost just want to go long right here. The end close of that bar. Just to get a quick scalp. Yeah, people are just buying now. Always in long. Big hit with the reversal there. Momentum still going. It's a really far away trap from the 20 EMA, so this is risky or low probability really. Risk is actually not, it's not that risky actually. The risk would, well, now it's risky, right? Now your risk is large. pullback here. Okay, second entry long for me. Second entry long forming. Do I like it? Not really. I actually hate it. I absolutely abhor this one. I mean, 1-to-1, can that even be reached? Yeah, I didn't like the second entry long. I didn't like it. I mean, we're at the top of the channel here. Silly trade. Higher low. Do I like the higher low? It's better. But I don't like the spike. I don't like this candle. I just don't like anything about this going long right now. Unfortunately. The higher low obviously is going to give us higher chances to hit our target here.
Target filled.
Just getting out of that trade altogether. I just don't like the look. I don't like the feel. I don't like the follow through. Higher low is popping up, but seeing how we bounce basically off the top of this trend line ends up pushing it pretty strong. Still not 1-to-1. It seems like I'll get there. Right, with that follow through right after that bar. I was better off just buying with limit orders off the 20 EMA at this point. And it's still quite hit your 1-to-1. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. A strong bull bar ending on its high. I watched Long Legs yesterday. It had like rave reviews. Rave reviews. And I just felt like there hasn't been any good movie out there ever since all the liberal pandering has been going on. It actually like destroyed the movie industry. Hopefully there will be like a, you know, the pendulum might swing the other way, hopefully, and people will just focus on good storytelling. But it's the only movie that like it seemed worth watching. Ended up watching it last night. Let me pull a poll up for you guys. Let me ask you guys, what did you guys think if you guys watched it? I just watch anime. Very cool. I'll just say the best part about it is probably Nicolas Cage's acting. That's the only thing worth watching in that whole movie. Okay, so we get like this double top off our trend line here. Should I buy with a limit order here? Nah. Ooh. Okay, I could try. It's an ugly looking signal bar for now. If we close above the 20 MA, ooh, pushes down right into the wick. It's kind of showing me there's sellers here. In this trade, do I like it? Coming off our trend line, also the 20 MA. I thought it was worth a chance here. Give it a shot, you know what I mean? Looking for a new high. Looking for follow through on the strong bull bar, also on the 5-minute chart. It's looking okay. It's looking okay. Whoa. Alright. Might be a trap trade. If this trap triggers, could be a big drip, big flush. Still have our trend line blocking. I'm not sure if I would have taken that trap because the trend line's in the way. But I lost 3 in a row, pandas. How fun is that? How fun is that? How much fun can you have trading? This is it. This is the maximum fun. What is going on, pandas? I mean, it's an ugly looking signal bar. I guess. I deserve that. I deserved it. I was eager to get on some sort of trade here. Is a trap good though? Trap was good for 1-to-1 at least. I thought we'd have some follow through on that strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Mama says, went in blind thinking it was gonna be a comedy. I mean, Nicolas Cage is not a comedian. He's not like a. I guess he can be funny sometimes, but he's not really like a comedian. I would say his movies are more entertaining than like funny. He's in like entertaining movies. I'll say that. I'll say that much. I mean, Nicolas Cage, like in his prime, he was hard to beat. He was very entertaining. I feel like I talk about Nicolas Cage a lot. He like pops up out of nowhere every once in a while. But there was like a definitive point in his career where things took, like it started going downhill. And it was Ghost Rider. I think everyone can pretty much agree Ghost Rider was a thing that pretty much destroyed his career. Ever since then, it's just like bad movie after bad movie after bad movie. I mean, because you have like the greats, right? You have The Rock, Face Off, Con Air. Like, these are very Nicolas Cage type movies, and they're like amazing. And you could throw in like Family Man, which is I thought was it's a very feel good movie. And then all of a sudden you get like Ghost Rider, and then from Ghost Rider you have after that like what's his filmology? Is it like it's like that like movie where he could see like a minute into the future or something? Dumb movie. Weatherman or something like that. Like this. Yes, Knowing, exactly. There was Matchstick Man. I thought it was pretty good. It's not really for like the masses. I personally like con movies. I don't know. I love them. I like Oceans movies. I like Inside Man, you know, like those movies which like has like a lot of like thinking involved, and you know, at the end it's like, oh, kind of has this reveal. I love those movies. I just feel like, I don't know, I find them entertaining. Heat? Nicolas Cage was in Heat? I don't know if Val Kilmer was in Heat. Yeah, I don't think Nicolas Cage was in the movie Heat. Gone in 60 Seconds was a great movie. All right. Man, he was in a lot of movies. All right. So you got the greats. Get a big push down here now. I'll take a lower high here. I'll take a lower high. Big push down. If I got a lower high, I would have taken it, but we're not getting it. Jeez, now it's flushing. All right, you got The Rock, Con Air, Gone in 60 Seconds. Wait, how come Face Off is not in here in this list? Face Off was like one of the, oh, it's late. Oh wow, Face Off? No. Can I win one, please, Pandas? I got the lower high finally. This is so far away from 20 MA, but we're getting the lower high here. Please, can I win one? I don't think I'm going to even win this lower high. Oh, man. Sitting on my paws. I'll take the hit. What in the world, Pandas? This is wild. I mean, I'm going to get hit here for sure. 4 in a row. All right, here it is. Okay. These are in order. So he had this like triple, like 3 movies in a row, which were amazing. From 1996 to 1997, The Rock, Con Air, and Face Off. These were all run one after another. Like those 3 movies, like established his legacy. Then you have Gone in 60 Seconds, and then you have Family Man. All amazing movies. Then you have Matchstick Men, right, which is a con movie. National Treasure, another great movie. I personally didn't like love National Treasure. It's not like my wheelhouse, but it's, you know, a lot of people thought it was very good. And then you start getting some like weird things like The Weatherman, The Wicker Man, which you have that meme where he has like all the bees on his face. And then 2007 is Ghost Rider. And then from there it's just, you just know that his career is done after Ghost Rider. It's like definitive. Lord of War, yeah. I'm gonna take one more short here, Pandas. I'm gonna attempt it. I mean, this is a big trading range. I don't know. Maybe I'll go long. Creating a triangle right now on the 5-minute chart. I don't feel particularly strong in this trade. I think I'll reverse it on a trap on the 5K chart. I'll take a reversal here. This is 5,000 tick chart. Tough trading for me. Bangkok dangerous, yeah. Yeah, I mean, you just know that was not going to be a good movie. Just the name of it. Just you don't judge a book by its cover, but you can judge a title or a movie by its title for sure. I don't know. I guess I'll take the trap trade here. To be honest, not sure what's happening. Can't even take the trap trade. Try to switch it up. Alright, last trade of the stream. Let's see what happens. I'm going to try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. See if we can get to it. It's a big old triangle on the 5-minute still. The 5-minute has a triangle forming. It's kind of like what's happening right now. Be a nice confirmation to trigger the trap on the 5-minute as well. But we'll see. I'm glad I'm trading only one single contract. The 5-minute chart, right? I'm just trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart here.
Five-minute trap.
Okay, decent push down here. Really nice push down. Let's watch a flush. I'd love to see it.
Five-minute trap.
Nice flush down here. Maybe I can just try to fill the gap on the overnight, the Globex session. But it looks so strong. I feel like we can get a nice push down here. How about this? I'll use my stop losses. I can use a previous candle's high, or I can use pivot highs. Currently no pivot highs except this one. So we can just protect our capital here, like this. We don't have any pivot highs to use yet. Just making a straight shot, a beeline to filling the gap on the overnight session. Okay, nice push down. Now what we can do is we can use the previous candle's high, right? Breaking previous candle's high as our stop loss here. As we keep making our way down, we can secure all these profits for sure. Keep securing these profits here. Almost fills a gap. I think we can hold. I think we can hold. Hold! 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 One.
Target.
Up there. Easy peasy. Pandas. 5-minute gap was filled. Goodness gracious. And we have more. We could have gotten more from that. Wowzers. I'm happy with that though, pandas. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining about that. Jeez Louise. We got Big Mama about to trigger here. What in the world was that, pandas? What in the world was that? Jeez. Jeez, one trade over $1,000 were made. I wish that was the only trade I took. I wish that was the only trade I took all day. Now, can I change my entire trading to be that's the only kind of trade I take from now on? Is it possible? I don't know. I don't know, pandas. It was basically a trap trade on the 5K chart. It's just trap trade 5K chart. That's all that was. Nothing fancy. I mean, you're thinking second entry short now, if we can get one. Jeez Louise, pandas. Does anyone do it better? Does anyone do it better? I don't think so. All that Nicolas Cage talk got me pumped up, reset my mind. Okay, no second entry short here. It's really flushing. It's kind of crazy. It's really flushing right now. Goodness gracious. Sitting on my paws though. Big Mama triggers. It's a little overextended. You don't want it to take Big Mama when it's this extended. You can take a second attempt here. Okay, well, there it is. That's all you get. Second attempt on Big Mama. Alright, Big Mama triggers. Good for your scalp. Your first time you actually lose it. Second time you get it. It's just a nasty move down right now, Panda. This is a straight flush. I'll show you the 5-minute chart. This is how the 5-minute chart looks like. 5-minute chart also triggers a trap as well, which is confirmation. I'm almost happy with this to walk away just barely scathed after all that nonsense. I mean, look at the 5,000 tick chart. Look how nasty this looks to finally get a nice flush down. 5-minute chart as well. Just made a triangle. Daily chart. Just finding a little bit of continuation on the strong bear trend or bear bar. Do I want a second entry short, pandas? Am I looking for a second entry short? These are all first entries here. I caught a huge part of that move, so I'm not like too eager to jump in right now. Very happy with my profits. Jeez, I have no entries. Even if I want to go short, there are no entries here, pandas. It's just flushing. We are back to the 20 EMA here after this huge push down. Like a monster push down. First entry off the 20 EMA. I mean, I wait for the second entry, I guess. Now we're pushing above the 20 EMA. Pretty strong bounce here. Could be a V bottom. Who knows? Who knows? No one's gonna know. How would they know? The ES is pretty close to this. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. It makes sense. I mean, usually they're pretty much correlated. Ooh, give me that second entry short. Doesn't quite get there, unfortunately. Give me that second entry short. I'll take it. I'll take it. Doesn't quite get there, unfortunately. Inside bar breaks it downside. You know, even the Nascraq can't even give me one tick above the previous candle's high. It's unfortunate. It's going to go without us. I mean, it's just the name of the game, Pandas. It's not much you can do. You just wait for your setup. I was waiting for it. And instead, it goes without giving my setup. And it makes the move that I thought I was going to make. It is what it is, Pandas. I mean, I wanted that one tick above the previous candle's high to give me that second pullback, to give me my second entry short. Doesn't give it to me. It is what it is, Pandas. You got to wait for it. Still waiting, thinking positive EV here. Now we push down so far, this move might be done. Could be double bottom here. But the move is so strong, I don't know. Plus, it bounced up so nicely off the 20, man. Now we made a new low. Ah, Pandas. Unfortunate. Alright, Pandas. I'm going to end a little bit early here. We made back our bamboo, or at least most of it. Yeah, I'm enjoying the Nascraq, though. It's cracked out. Absolutely. This is why it's called Nascraq. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. I'm taking Fridays off. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Hope to see you guys there. Have an amazing weekend. Enjoy it. And yeah, please hit that like button, scalp that like button. I'll see you guys then. As always, Pandas, happy trading. God bless. Bye.